Just a few moments back, the RTI bill has in fact been passed. What's it basically about? The RTI bill, the amendment bill, is about two basic things. One, that the centre now gets to decide the salaries, the amount of money that will be given to those who are in charge of RTI, the right to information, and also that the stature of the information commissioners will be reduced. It will become from an earlier equivalent to an election commissioner to a little lesser is what we understand. This was always supposed to happen. That's voting that was taking place. You can see out here manual voting taking place. You can see Sonia Gandhi there. This is something that the opposition has been completely opposed to. Sunil now joins us for more on this. Sunil, take us through what has just happened.
Well, the Right to Information Amendment Bill has been just passed. There were 218 people in support of the legislation, 79 against it. Notable, of course, was the Biju Janata Dal, which walked out. The YSR Congress, which opposed it on the floor of the House, ultimately voted in support of it. It's in that context that this bill will now be shifted to the Rajya Sabha, where it will be taken up for discussion and consideration. As we are well aware, the Right to Information Bill is extremely important for the common man. It's a bill which helps and ensures transparency and accountability, helps in stopping corruption, and has been basically, in a way, a whistleblower on various issues, be it Rafale or various other, the 2G scam. A lot of information that was tried to be kept under the covers has been disclosed under the Right to Information Act. So it's in that context now that the government of India has gone ahead with the decision to amend the Right to Information Act. The reason being given is that there are certain anomalies for the information commissioners who are appointed there. They are only a statutory body, while and they are on par with the Election Commission and Supreme Court judges, while the Election Commission as well as the Supreme Court judges are a constitutional body, and that's the reason why they argue that they should not be given that status, and that's why they want to bring down the Right to Information Commissioners. However, having said that, there also is a proposal to amend the rules, and many believe by bringing that proposal, it will, on the excuse that they will bring in efficiency of the Right to Information Act, they will bring in time limits, certain rules which will make it difficult to get information, and that's the reason why there is a certain apprehension amongst the Right to Information activists as well as opposition parties.
Sorry, Sunil, while this bill was being introduced, at that point in time, the Minister of State in the PM or the Prime Minister's office, Jitendra Singh, had said the following. He had made it clear. He said this bill actually aims at institutionalization, streamlining and ease of delivery of RTI Act. However, why is it then that they want to actually be in control of the salaries of those who make this information through the RTI available to the common man, like you said? Why is it that the centre wants to have control over that?
Well, it's as I said, they believe that somewhere down the line they want to make amendments to the rules, and one of the reasons that they have found is through this Right to Information appointment of commissioners, saying that it's a statutory body, as has been explained and been cautioned by RTI activists. They believe that somewhere down the line the autonomy of the institution will be affected. The government says no. We'll have to wait and watch and see what actually happens on the when the bill is passed in the Rajya Sabha and then, of course, given assent to.